Reading is a gift. It's something that you can do almost anytime, anywhere. It's a tremendous way to learn, to relax, and to even escape. I welcome everyone watching this video. I am Rishi Kalaria from Kendra Vidyalaya Sikar. And KB Sikar has just recently celebrated the National Reading Day and the Reading Week. So I am here to share my information that I have collected within the celebration of the week. So let's start. Firstly, whenever we hear the word the reading day or the reading week, the question comes to our mind is when do we celebrate it or why do we celebrate it? It's my privilege today to answer these questions. So India celebrates the National Reading Day on 19th of June every year, and this year we have celebrated the 26th edition of it. Why do we celebrate it? This day is celebrated to honor the work and the life of a man who not only contributed in the culture of reading but also consequence the universal literacy rate of 100% in the state of Kerala in 1990. This man was P.N. Panikkar, a teacher in the state of Kerala. He was born on 1st of March 1909 and was sadly passed away on 19th of June 1995. In his memory, his death anniversary is celebrated as National Reading Day all over the country. The Reading Day first merely started and then it turned into a massive movement with a number of participants celebrating and honoring the habit of reading. P.N. Panikkar was famously known as father of library movement held in the state of Kerala. He travelled from village to village of Kerala proclaiming the value of reading in our lives. Also, he made up to 47 rural libraries. In his lifetime, he was able to bring about 6,000 libraries in network. To honor this great man and his message to read and grow, the week starting from 19th of June is celebrated as the Reading Week. So this year, due to the COVID-19 situation, our Vidyalaya has decided to celebrate this week through the online mode. So I would like to talk about the various activities and the varieties of competition held during the celebration of this week. Here goes the list. We took a reading pledge. There was a quiz competition on yoga, an essay writing competition on the importance of school library, a slogan writing competition on prevention against the coronavirus, storytelling competition, collection of important informative news of June 2020, tour stories, video making on any topic, book review on your favorite book, or drawing the cover page of your favorite book. These all activities were appreciated a lot. Other than these, I would like to talk about those informational, inspirational, and motivational videos and items presented before us. Firstly, I'll start with the inspirational stories with great teachings which motivated us a lot to read more and more. Also, there were some slides which taught us how we can develop the reading habit among ourselves, because reading is a habit one should develop and include in their lifestyle. It enhances your vocabulary, increases your knowledge, improves your concentration power and whatnot. There were some tips for not only students but also for teachers and librarians to inculcate the reading habit among the children. We were taught that how we can write the stories, how we can create our own stories, how we can create titles, morals, or how we can write the book review. I would like to end it here. I'm very much thankful to the whole Vidyalaya for making us so much informative in such a short period of time. And also, I'm very much thankful for everyone watching this. Wishing you a positive and fruitful day ahead. Thank you.